You will turn heads in this 2006 Chrysler 300 four-door sedan from Highline Automotive. Let the acceleration push you into the 10 seats as you put the pedal down to the 5.7-liter 8-cylinder 16-valve engine. Mill through its 5-speed automatic transmission to its rear-wheel drive. Then put the windows down and turn up the tunes with the digital audio input, in-dash single CD player, audio system, premium brand speakers, Boston Acoustics and more. In addition to getting you there fast, this coupe will also get you there safely with 4-wheel ABS brakes, front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag and more. We would love to put you in the driver's seat of this 300. Please contact us for more information.